family abandoned me. They don't want to get on this wet ride. So there we are.
Hold on to the handrail.
This is gonna be scary.
Hello, how many?
One.
One, all right.
That would be awesome if I can get it all by myself and I can scream and yell and be scared and all that stuff.
Oh, you got it, sir, right there. So make sure you don't extend the GoPro.
I will not extend it.
You got it, man, right over there.
All right, guys, thank you. All right. Where's the wettest part? Right here, all right. Oh, I'm already wet. It's already wet, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't gonna be a dry ride. It's not gonna be a dry ride, right? I'm only the only person here. What's the chances of me getting wet?
Right, statistically speaking.
You're lying. You know that the weight will push me into the water. You know it. You heard it there, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to get really, really wet because we're the only ones in the ride. Only one. Why am I doing this? Well, the reason I'm doing this ride is for you guys. The reason for that is this is a 360 camera on a 360 ride. You notice it's all around? At any time during this ride, you can pause it and look at the horrid facial expressions I have as I'm getting stoked. But you can also look around while it's paused and see things you didn't know that was there. So give it a go. Welcome back. Wasn't that cool? All right, we're about to get going here. Oh, I can feel it wet on my back. It says Paradise Islands. Here we go. Oh boy. I have a funny feeling that this is going to be a wet one. What's coming up behind me? What's coming up? Okay, good. Good, okay. That's good. Oh! No. All right, there's Bluto. There we go, Bluto. Let's go. Oh, that was Olive. Or Olive. Oh. Good. Oh, big water. Oh, my butt just got soaked. I just peed my pistol. Oh! Okay. Hey, can we get away with not getting this? Oh, this would be awesome if we don't get this. No, I don't want to get this wet. I don't want to get this wet. No. Yeah, we didn't get that. Oh, that was lucky. That was very lucky. That was one of my scariest things I didn't want to get. Oh. No doing that! Oh. We got shot from above. Where are we going now? All right. Uh-oh. Oh no. Went again. Oh! Oh, that was close. Oh no, not a cannon. Not the cannon. Okay, phew. Uh-oh. There's Popeye. Oh. Hi, Popeye. Hi, Popeye. Oh. I think we're going backwards. Olive! Help the Olive! What's going on behind me? What?
You don't think you're old?
Ah! They're about to get really wet. They're about to get really wet. Oh no, we're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet. Ah! Why? 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 Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. No! 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 How did we get away from that? Hang on, I'll see if I clear your lenses. Alright, what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen now? No! Oh! Oh no, the spin! It's a spinning! What's gonna happen? Why are we stopping here? Why are we stopping here? Hey, give me some spinning! I need some spinning! I need some spinning! No! No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We are flying now! Oh! 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 I almost got away with not being soaked. Almost. No, no, that's a wedgie. You should have warned me.
Popeye the sailor.
Oh, let's go do it, Olive. Olive, why? Well, there you go. A 360 view on a really, really wet night.
Please remain seated.
I'm so glad you were here to witness it. It's terribleness of a ride. Of a ride. Bye. Bye. They're crazy people. Why did I do this? I don't know. But you were here to see it. It's your fault, not mine. They lied to me.
Did we forget to turn off the water?
Yeah, kinda. They said I wasn't gonna. Well, they lied. How do I get out of here?
I'll get there.
No, don't get there. Don't get there. Ta-da! She's magic, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. She controlled it and everything. Thank you very much. Bye. Oh, it's slippery when wet. Very slippery when I'm wet. What? That was wet. Now I'm really wet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these guys.
Bye.